Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. For all the coffee lovers, here is an interesting and exciting way you can enjoy your coffee. We're going to make this delicious, cool jelly coffee. Let's get started and check it out. So first we're going to make the coffee jelly. To a saucepan, I'm adding 400 ml of water. Keeping the flame on low, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of instant coffee granules. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now, if you don't have brown sugar, you can just use the regular white sugar. I'm using a whisk just to dissolve it better, but you can also use a spatula. So, to make the jelly, we definitely need a setting agent. So, I'm using 5 grams of Agar Agar. Now, this is all easily available in the supermarkets or online. We're going to continue heating this for a couple more minutes. I'm just removing the whisk and I'm going to use a spatula to mix everything. I've just cooked this on low heat for about 5 minutes. I kept stirring it at intervals. We just want the mixture to just thicken a little bit. So if you see, I'm just showing you the mixture sticking to the spatula, it's not running off. So this is an indication that the mixture is thickened, and now you can pour it in a tin or a bowl and set it up. So as you can see, it's piping hot. We don't want to keep it in the refrigerator immediately. Once this cools down, then you can refrigerate it and let it set for about 2 hours. How do you guys like to enjoy your coffee? Hot or cold? Let me know in the comment section. Well, I like my coffee nice and hot, and the classic filter coffee, that's my favorite. After 1 hour, you can see it's set beautifully. So I'm just going to cut into small pieces. Make sure to follow all the steps to get the jelly perfectly. Do not freeze the jelly. You can refrigerate it and leave it to set, but do not freeze it. I've taken 1 liter of milk, boiled it and cooled it completely. To this I'm going to add 300 ml of condensed milk. Now you can adjust the sweetness of the milk according to your taste. I'm just using a whisk to mix it. So this way it'll blend well. This is a cool and refreshing dessert drink that you can enjoy on warm afternoons or evenings. If you want to make something different and special for your family and friends, here's a nice way to treat them. Well, this can be a dessert or a drink. What do you guys think? Or maybe both. Well, I'm going to enjoy it now. Wow. Bliss in one mouth. That cool milk and that lovely bite of coffee jelly. Amazing, amazing. I'm just going to devour this, just enjoy this full glass. If you're a hardcore coffee lover, well, here is another interesting way to enjoy your coffee. So do give it a try and share it with your family and friends and enjoy. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.